Okay, it wants to make again. I don't know what it even. Not okay.
Wait. I
Okay,
can
it wants it.
I can. If T-Chef is fine by you, we'll put you on the stream for a while. If it's okay.
Dude, look at that
Yeah.
fluid simulation.
Yeah.
Alright, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Maybe the window's trying to be the fluid.
Bro, how can it
Click
write
the
this
left
much and
mouse
then have
button
this
to apply
little?
force. Just be like, just all caps. Be like, window size is big as a toothpick.
Okay, wait, it wants it again.
Oh, see, like the window is like doing some weird shit, man. Like, why is it even like?
Okay,
why
wait.
is the
I
window
will.
even like curved and shit too? It's
Whoa,
curved.
the
Oh, that's
window.
Wait, does that have to
It's
do with your
just-
hyperland, maybe?
No. That's coherent feedback.
Alright, I'm gonna get
I
that
like
tea
how
real
it doesn't want to delete code. Okay. It made in the
never
beginning a
deletes, always adds.
main.c. Yeah, it made a main.c, and then instead of changing it, it made a main._new.c, and the main.c isn't even used anymore.
Yeah, this one's not as good as like Quad or Codex. Well, no, I'd say, I don't know. Codex is like really good for like context, but like actually like making shit. Like I get it to make my readmes because it can read the whole project and consume it, but it's still fucking gay like the.
Okay, wait.
Oh. Now click something.
Yeah, nothing
Okay,
happens.
where's my fluid? Just be like, bro. You could send it a screenshot.
I don't think I need to screenshot here. I think I can say it in one word. Or two. Window, black.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, 2 words.
Okay. The window is black.
Shoot it.
No.
I want it white. Oh. What if I run it? Do I get nothing? No. Damn, it's not even that
Alright,
much
T-Chef,
code.
Send that what I just wrote to you.
Okay, wait. I will do that just after now running it.
Nah, just. Yeah. Okay, send what I said. You just press enter.
Yeah.
No, you didn't have to interrupt it. You should just press whatever. Just press enter now.
Oh, you can send messages while it's working.
Yeah, it'll like once it's done doing its last thing, and then it'll consume your message.
Oh, nice. Bro, it's going a little bit too big. App config.
Just let him cook. You got to give him the proper tools in order to succeed. Like I don't know. You're using kind of like I don't know. It kind of raw, but it can just do its native, whatever calls. But damn, mine's like all like tricked out. Like I got all these like MCP tools that just do a bunch of crap. Like you could probably make an MCP tool that you can like run locally that just like it's got all your main file commands. Like
it made its first new main file. Main CLI, and main new.
Look at all those fucking files.
All right, I'm back.
Damn, I think.
You think-
You'll have
What
to
did-
tell it to clean up and just like remove dead code.
Oh yeah.
How did the thing go? Wait, let me just quickly.
It's going
Yeah,
terrible.
it's black.
Terrible. What did it generate? Anything good?
Wait, let me show you.
Nice.
wait,
you can,
sorry,
you can call you can call the compiled file with the -- help. See, like now
Yeah.
now it's gonna be able to succeed a little bit better because now hey, look at that. Sheesh.
Wait, there's headless for the house. Yeah.
Oh wow, we got Pig in the chat, Chupak in the chat, and Alperoski. I'm singing with you. Alright, amazing.
Welcome.
Well, they are seeing these people, not singing right now. But and vibe code.
Doesn't make sense, and there's a conflict.
Yeah. No. We are very hard trying to code. Yeah. Really difficult to make Vulkan applications.
Vibe coding Vulkan is fucking crazy. Let's see, what are we working on right now? We're gonna be working on the thing called
Wait, Lucas, you're not streaming on Discord.
let me put on stream on Discord as well. I'm just gonna take this away. Let me just start up everything. Alright, so Obama.
Dude, that's so funny you said that. Like that's it. Like, that's not a like altered sound bit or anything.
Oh, textures actually. Obama. Yeah, textures. Textures. Bam. Wait. Right. Little happen. Oh damn. Nugget XD. I'm going to new him. Alright. Bro, what the fuck? Wait, do I hear myself? I hear myself through.
Wait,
Yep,
maybe.
I hear it.
Wait.
Am I watching your stream?
No, wait. Was it for me?
Oh yeah, it was
Ah.
through you.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah,
Are
still
you
again.
watching Lucas? Are you watching Lucas's stream?
Oh yeah, maybe because. Yeah, wait. Now it should work.
All right. Good.
No,
Good.
never
Good.
mind. I don't know.
Hello, Mr. Magoo. All right. So.
You interrupted? Damn, what did you do that for?
Damn, I misclicked.
Just press continue or type continue. No, just
Let's
no,
see,
don't do.
let's-
Never mind. Just say continue.
We're going to be growing an engine abstraction to support textures and considerably increase the complexity. We are going to need a better abstraction than the descriptor sets. In chapter 2, we already created two classes, the descriptor allocator and descriptor layout builder. Well, I didn't do those. I just created descriptor.sig. But, okay. Look at, we have, with the descriptor allocator, we have a basic way of abstracting a single VK descriptor pool to allocate descriptors. And layout builder abstraction creating descriptor set layouts. Yes, surely. C is better. I'm making an OS with assembly and C. Save yourself though. Yeah, text to speeches. I have the thing sadly disabled right now because I switched to. I had to reinstall OBS for the Arch Linux. It had some issues, so text to speech does not work.
Yeah, close the app or close your window, like the black window.
C is better.
Shoot it.
I don't know.
See, it's not better.
C is.
But if you like C so much, why don't you write it?
No. The guy just said C is better, and then said that he's making an OS. Arch user AC, not femboy. That's rare. yeah.
No, he's going to be.
You
You
have
know,
to
we're
close that
training
every
him.
time that doesn't run a timeout on it.
you know, you don't start off as a fanboy. You just eventually with time, right? I don't know. I'm afraid.
Hmm.
When will the signs?
But anyways, hello, cheesecake.
But no.
You know, cheesecake. Do you know how you
It's
pronounce
adding
your
more
name?
files.
Cheese. Kaka.
Damn, damn.
Dude,
Everybody's
like,
talking about
that whole
something
project's
completely
got so many
different.
files.
Yeah, so guys, let's just speak about completely different things over each other all the time, so it gets super confusing for everyone.
Yeah, it's fucking
I don't know what
great.
you guys are talking about. Our conversation
So
is the only one that
cheesecake,
matters.
yeah, you know
This is our
your name
podcast.
is you're a very good name you have there, very cheesy.
Yes, bruh. No, regarding C is better. I used to think so too.
Yeah, so cheesecake, have you looked at my reply sent in the
Wait.
Oh, he left.
Wait. But then I just started doing more and more Sig, and then I eventually was like, I don't know why. I don't think C is better anymore. Yo, what's up, cheesecake? Who up cheesing up
He
their
said it.
cake? Yo, what's up? To unlock fanboy mode, you got to do Arch plus Hyperland plus
Oh.
Neobeam and Rust too.
David!
Okay, well, I'm
Where's your
not
water?
doing
Lucas,
Rust, so
Lucas, teacher just got the water.
wait, he got the water? Let me see.
Yeah, 100%, bro. Look at
Maybe
this
it
water.
forgot. Maybe it forgot what it was trying to do. But we gotta tell it like we're trying to make a fluid simulation
No,
again.
it's just really
Mm.
zoomed in. That's
Well,
what.
but there is nothing. I don't see anything, bro.
That's what
Just-
happened. No, you saw the water. It was
No,
just
no.
really zoomed in.
No, just
Okay, tell me when it's there.
tell it you want a fluid simulation.
Yeah.
Never.
Like,
Look,
there
let's
isn't
do
even a
programming
file for
sucks
fluid. Or no,
stream.
there is fluid slim.
Oh.
Wait, what? I'm from mode. You got to do Arch Hyper. Yeah, Rust. Oh, Shupacker, did that mean I'm turning mode to 1? Uh-oh. Lucas do programming socks stream. I only have... The only weird pair of socks that I have are SpongeBob socks. T-Chef is vibe coding. He is...
Yeah, that's enough.
Kind of, yeah. He is experimenting with...
He became a Viber.
if
No, he has become a
AI
Viber.
can create a Vulkan application doing water simulations or fluid simulations, and if it can do it quickly, that's just brutal. They even just gave everyone his API key, and now everyone is vibe coding. Yes, I'm sure that's all you have.
No, I'm not vibe coding. I'm still standing.
True.
No, but
Yeah,
I wouldn't
I'm-
vibe code the project.
You know, the song, I'm still
Wait,
standing.
the stream overlays. Is it working? It is working. Crazy.
Oh, look at that! It's beautiful.
But yeah, we're going to create a new
What
version of
should
the descriptor
happen?
allocator. Descriptor allocator growable. What the fuck? That sounds cursed. Let's see, what does it do? The one we create before will just crash when the pool runs out of space. This is fine for some cases where we know the amount of descriptors ahead of time, but it won't work when we need to load meshes from arbitrary files and can know ahead of time how many descriptors we will need. This new class will perform almost exactly the same, except instead of having a single pool, it handles a bunch of them. Whenever a pool fails to allocate, we create a new one. When this allocator gets cleared, it clears all of the pools. This way we can use one descriptor allocator and it will just grow as we need to. This implementation we will have in a header being a descriptor. Okay, so what did they change with this thing? I do vibe coding, though it's not letting AI letting do all your job, but rather programming while drunk. Ah, that's what real men call vibe coding. Okay, guys, we need to get drunk. That's what we need to do in order to
No.
be justified.
Already
to do-
there.
Already there. Wait,
Bro.
you should, wait, you guys aren't drunk?
I'm not allowed to. Yeah, right.
Let's see, what do they do now? They have a ratio, wiki descriptor type. Okay. I use Rayleigh plus Sig. Ah, yes. Are you in college? Yes, I am in college. You are more than there. When using Sig, Andrew Kelly secret injected a fentanyl dose in you. Oh my god. How could this happen without even me knowing? Okay, but they have like... then they have the init. It would make sense. Clear, pools, destroy. Why would you have a clear and destroy? What's the difference? Descriptor set, allocate. Okay, and then... Private get pool? Or would you create
Yeah,
pool?
no, it's probably
Okay,
failing on the shader.
okay,
Yeah.
and then they have the all
We'll
of
stop
these,
watching.
these, and then set per pool. Okay, okay, okay. Lucas, where is music? Oh, it's too quiet. Is it? Is it? It's actually quiet. I thought it was
Oh,
loud as hell, so I
Harold cooking up
decreased
some
the
strudel bangers.
strudel bangers. Yeah, we need to
Mm.
get the strudel in here, to be honest. But we need somebody who's a music expert, kind of, so we can actually create a banger and not just have some weird ass.
Me?
Well, somebody
Bang,
who's better than
bang.
Harold. We need.
What? But my music was so good, it was bang, bang, bang. And then Tetris music overlaid on
No,
that.
what you
What's
had
this
was
shit?
some horrifying horror music festival. I don't know.
That one! Oh, yeah. That one, yeah, we don't speak about that one.
One second
Damon.
more, Black. Yep.
Oh,
Is oh, so sorry if you. I will do some shit I won't remember tomorrow because I'm drunk, and guess why? Oh no!
man, you made me look for this.
You drank too much.
It's gonna compact again, and then it's gonna just be garbage.
Let's see. The public interface is the
It
same
doesn't
as in the other
resize
descriptor allocator.
correctly.
What has changed is that now we need to store the array of pool sizes ratio for when we reallocate the pools. How many sets we allocate per pool, and 2 arrays full pools contains the pools we know we want to allocate from anymore. Wait, what? Pools we know we want to allocate from anymore. And ready pools contains the pools that can still be used, or the freshly created ones. Okay, the allocation logic will first grab a pool from ready pools and try to allocate from it. If it succeeds, it will add the pool back into the ready pools array. If it fails, it will put the pool on a full pools array and try to get another pool to retry. The get pool function will pick up a pool from ready pools or create a new one. Let's write the pool and create a pool function. Okay. So that's interesting. I'm just gonna quickly see, like, what is?
Lucas, I'm gonna send you a link.
Yeah, do that. Okay. I haven't
I'll
run
send you a
into
link.
the Wait, maybe it's just the way they generally do this thing. My friend had a birthday party. Let's go. That's on. That's nice. I hope I won't wake up tomorrow finding out I just
very
got myself
fluid, it's
banned
just
from
like
this
ripples.
server. This birthday, there was also one massive event. I almost got. Oh no! He almost got employed. How could this happen?
Damn.
What did you send?
Also, why did you go outside? This video, I just want you to click on it and just play it, and I'm gonna explain.
I will get copyright striked if I play it.
Just watch like 3 seconds of it.
Okay.
Don't think this one is copyrighted though.
What's that?
This is me looking at everyone else vibe coding.
I'm still standing, bro.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Harold, look at my stream.
Yeah, sure.
Let me actually just do another one of these.
Oh, yo, Lucas actually got it work. Yo, what? Bro, how do you even get
fluid
this working?
simulation. That's just.
Yeah,
You
it's
know, I
not
should probably
finished.
be muted them
fluid
from Lucas to Fortnite. All right.
for almost being employed. Yeah.
Harold, can you mute
Yeah.
Cheesecake? He is apparently drunk and he don't want to be able to talk because
think
he
you
might
need to
say
think a little
something bad.
How long? How long muted? He's Russian, probably 10 minutes.
24 hours.
24 hours?
Yeah.
That's a bit of a time, okay.
No, he like not being able to talk, like that kind of mute. He can still type whatever he wants.
Okay, it's not talk.
Yeah, not talk. We don't because typing
I don't know,
I just don't show that on stream. But talking I cannot just not. Lucas, he could.
Well, if he
teleport.
joins, I'll just move him away or something then.
Quickly move.
Yeah, cheesecake, you always just be like, yeah. Lucas VIP.
Okay. But I want to see this pool stuff, like... I'm a bit unsure. Because I haven't
the
had,
script
like...
that's right now.
Okay, yeah, because what I used to do was just increasing this for just more pools hard-coded. But yeah, I guess if you want it to be more dynamic, you would have to do it something like this. Wait, I actually got back to C today. I actually felt really powerful. For some reason, Sig does not seem this powerful, but...
Did Cheesecake say this?
Yeah, Cheesecake is typing this.
Drunk.
Bro, Cheesecake, you need to get drunk more often if you are saying such
No, we can never
programming.
make this happen again.
There's a but.
It
I'm
shall
waiting
never
for the
happen.
but. The but is taking an awful long time. Just added 24 more hours to my mute. Let's fucking go. I don't know, because now it feels like
Damn.
I
I think
just
it's time for eye drops. I think that's what time it is.
Eye drops?
I don't know, that's a new
Drops,
Apple
man.
product.
Yes.
Oh, it is, damn, that's crazy.
But you guys don't have eye drops by your PC?
What? No.
I have everything
guys aren't
by
even
my PC.
I think I will not
gamers.
do this until I can actually see that this would be an issue, because what I would just normally do is just add like space. I don't see. I don't. Okay, well this is actually kind of good. Fuck. Maybe I should do it. My internet randomly die and don't want to connect. I love Linux. Yeah, my frames are also being dropped. What? You guys are
Yo,
lucky my microphone
tell-
does not
tell it
work.
to
Lucas
make
would
a-
have been banned from Twitch within 5 minutes of me being in VC. Oh god. Yeah, thank god.
Damn,
Okay, yeah,
he really
Devin.
is Russian.
I said tell it to make the particles out of like small like circle particles, or the fucking
Okay,
solar
okay.
system out of.
I will first look this up.
So get pool, new pool. If size is not 0, ready pull back. Let's pop back. Then they just get the pool, and else if it is 0, they create a new pool. And then set pool 1.5 per pool. Pool if okay. New pool. Where's this coming from? It's just defined somewhere. Great. Descriptor allocator grow pool, create pool. Okay, I'm just gonna a little bit like this.
Lucas' average C++ moment. Probably in a class hierarchy.
For real, bro. Ah. Wait. You will learn every Russian curse word known to man in a night. Just a night. You're a native speaker.
Alright, quick,
Damn.
press escape.
Well,
Okay.
I mean, how hard can Russian be? You know.
Yeah, just a few. There's just like one swear word, right?
Yeah, it begins with a B.
Oh, yeah, that's one. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's basically it.
Yeah, that's the only one. Yeah, that's basically the entire language.
True.
It's basically that and then da. You know.
I
for
can
yes.
say
Yeah.
Minya Sahut TT Chef.
No, that's like French or something.
No,
No, I think
no,
this is how you say I am TT Chef.
He said something in the Twitch chat which I cannot read.
Why not?
Because because it's Russian. I cannot read that.
Oh, well, I got that up on Twitch then.
No, T-Chef actually said it great.
The cheesecake. Yeah. Thanks.
It's going crazy now.
But cheesecake, you need to type Russian in Zig. We can't understand Russian pure, you
Hell
know.
them. Wait, what? the what? What? the Twitch bot just held a message for somebody for bullying. I was like, what? What did they say?
Why you bully me?
Why you bullying somebody? But for real, like, I'm trying to read this
Bro,
thing and I'm like...
Damon. It made so many points. This is so insane.
And then there's like crate pool, and then you pass in the span pool ratios, okay? And then pools, STD vector pool sizes, for ratio pool ratios, pushback, ratio type.
What I'm wondering is how the hell did like the Soviet Union manage to like suppress so many people? Because I don't know, man. Russians, they like to drink, and when you drink, you like to talk. So I don't know, man. Why did they even have like anything there? The KGB? Wait, no. What did they have? I had something.
Yeah, it's quite easy if you start to silence people for saying one thing. What stops you from silence people from saying other things? Like, you just need to silence one word and that's
You
it.
get power hungry.
You just
Power hungry.
you just need to basically
I gotta get the next one.
You just need to show people that there's one word they can't say, and now you basically have power over them, because what stops you from silencing the next word? Because you already have that authority.
He's gonna get power drunk.
Wait, what's happening in the chat? I missed it. Don't worry, you stupid. Quickly want to silence you. Wait, great cheesecake here is to save. Literally 1984 can't even swear in Russia. In the Twitch chat. What's happening in the chat?
Wait, guys, I'm right back. Be right back.
Alright. Okay, but here we go through the ratios. Then we have the descriptor pool, create info. This one is pretty basic. Setup, set count, pool size data. Yep, makes sense. Okay. When we create a new pool, we increase the sets per pool to mimic something like a STD Victor size. Still, we will limit the max amount of set pool to 4092 to avoid it growing too much. This max limit can be modified if you find it works better in your case. An important detail on this function is that we are removing pool from the ready pools array when grabbing it. This is then we can... This is so then we can add this back into array, or the other one a descriptor is allocated. I'm pretty confident I will just not do this, because I would rather see the program crash and burn and figure out that I need this, rather than just implementing it right now and then not having it crash and burn, because then I wouldn't understand why I really did this. Because for me it's like, I think I'm fine with what I got, and I can't really comprehend or see why I would like to have this, because I feel like it's just a number I could change if I needed more. Yeah. On the
Bro, Lucas, I have 2,000 channel points on Twitch. Like, when you give TTS back, you're cooked.
Well, I'm gonna be cooked. Harold, keep me up. You're in the Twitch chat. Keep me updated if there's something I need to know, because I don't know, bro.
Dude.
It's the same we in the. It's the same we had in the descriptor allocator. Let's create the other function we need. Init, clear pools, and destroy pools. We don't do those. The init function just allocates the first descriptor pool and adds it to the ready pools array. Clearing the pools means going through all pools and copying the full pool array into the ready pools array. Destroying loops over the both list destroys everything to clear the entire allocator. Last thing we need is allocation. The new allocation function. And we first grab a pool, then allocate from it, and if the allocation failed, we add it into the run pools array, as we know this pool is filled. and then try again. If the second time fails, two stuff is completely broken, so it's just asserts and crashes. Once we have allocated the pool, we add it back into the ready pool array. Really? Ah, that's crazy. Yeah, okay. Descriptor right. No, now this is something better. Let's see. When we need to create a descriptor set for our compute shader, we did the Vulkan VK update descriptor sets the manual way, but this is really annoying to deal with, so we're going to abstract that too in our writer. Now T-Chef is also there. So we're going to abstract that too. In our writer, we are going to have write image and write buffer functions to bind the data. Let's look at the structure declaration also on the VK descriptor file. And this is something I think we could probably look into. But wait a minute. Do I actually need this? We are doing some memory tricks with the use of STDQ, and here the STDQ is guaranteed to keep pointers to elements valid, so we can take advantage of the mechanic when we add new array. Oh. How the fuck GNOME installed K? I didn't install it, just okay. Let's look at the
I see you
definition.
only learned these words.
These words.
We
Yes.
write descriptor set. Okay, type void descriptor set, binding array element descript count. Because this is so weird, the setup, how they connect stuff and where they have like the classes. Like this is not. I feel like they have it a bit different structure than I follow in other tutorials.
You can look in Twitch chat.
I don't know what that language is. What is that language?
It's German. Read it.
I'm not good.
Read it.
I don't know what it means, bro.
It means that Vulkan is a very good API.
Well, I don't see the word Vulkan anywhere in there.
Vulkan has like a different word in German.
Yeah, it's definitely because it's the first word, so it definitely has to be the AS, right?
Yeah. Well, not that
Like
one.
Vulkan is actually exactly Vulkan in German. It's just pronounced differently.
Is it Vulkan?
That message, Lucas. That message. That's good.
No, it's called Vulkan.
Vulkan, yeah.
Right. But Lucas, the thing I sent you there in Twitch chat, that means that I like tagged unions.
I don't think so.
No? What do you think it means?
I have no idea. Oh,
Well,
no, he's still alive. How do you get chat messages for your warriors? They are actually just like the game is written in Unity, and it's literally just connecting the Twitch and YouTube APIs, and you can get the messages from when people send stuff, and that's basically just a text field that we added into the game. Yeah, it's nothing complicated when you use an engine. The target set, target binding element, and actual buffer or image is not done by pointer. We have target set, target binding element, and the actual buffer or image is done by pointer. We need to keep the information of the VK descriptor buffer in offers Others, what bro, I need new glasses. And others in a way that the pointers are stable, or a way to fix those pointers when making a final writer set array. Let's look at what the writer buff function does. Write buffer. Okay. Yeah, I don't have that in place, but sure. Then it takes all of that. Struct type write descriptor set. Left empty for until we need to write it. Okay, I think. Okay. Okay, and then frame data. What do they do here? Deletion queue, descriptor allocation growable. Okay, so they keep. But now if you're starting to do this in the frame, why are you... That's so interesting what they're actually doing. Okay, or is that the point? Because when I have looked like how we have done things, it's kind of... I was thinking like we should have this here, right? And now they're kind of like actually doing the thing that I was suspecting that should be there. Let's check further. What do they else do? Now we can clear these every frame when we flush the frame deletion queue. This goes at the start of the draw. Okay, now that we can allocate descriptor sets dynamically, we will be allocating the buffer that holds scene data and create its descriptor set. Add a new structure that will use the uniform buffer of scene data. We will hold view and projection matrix separate, and then multipiled view projection matrix. We also add some vec4s for a very basic lights model that we'll be building next. Oh, okay, so oh wow, I mean, it's not too crazy. Add new descriptor layout on the Vulkan engine class. Okay, create a new descriptor set layout. Let's see. And do the builder. Okay, maybe I actually need to do all of these when I now look at this, what we're about to do. Create the buffer. Deletion queue push. Scene. Scene. And then the writer, descriptor writer. I'm combusting all. Okay, damn. Okay, yeah. And then I assume the textures will... Well, I shouldn't be using that. Oh my god, my internet is so fast. Create image. Allocated image. But wait, what the fuck? Where did that come from? We already showed how to use images when we did the compute-based rendering, but there are things about images we still need to deal with. Specifically how to use them in graphics shaders for rendering display. We'll begin here by creating a set of default textures for our engine and then load the textures from file. First we need to add function to Vulkan engine class to deal with creating and destroying images. Add the function class in the header. Oh, so these are like just... Okay. And then here, yeah, create image. Okay. Okay. Same already did when creating a draw image, just copied it into the own function. We begin by storing the size format. Okay, create image. Okay. Okay. And then they do all of those things. Binding. Okay. 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 Oh wait, but here they have to use then. No. Also, wait, they have an init mesh pipeline where they do all of these. Ah, yeah. I mean, I guess I could do similar, kind of. Probably could, should, could. I'm gonna be so tired, it's not even late.
It is kind of late though.
Oh, it is kind of late.
Hmm.
Okay, but here it gets important. Yeah, okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Guess I will actually have to do this then. All right. Descriptor allocator. Well, this is basically my descriptor thing, where I just keep all of these instead of doing the builder thing. Wait, now I need to go make tea. Thank you. I'll be back. Yeah, tea is great. I refuse to believe that we need to make an actual like builder kind of thing, but something different could still work. Yeah, okay, so they abstracted this away from here, which is fine, I guess. Okay. I need to check. Do I start tomorrow? I started late. I got plenty of time. Kind of. Okay. Well, that's actually
When
not...
is late?
What?
When is late?
10.
Damon, I think Vulkan isn't for the AI.
Is it not
It's
even...
just way too complex. But no, it has something, but it just
has?
doesn't look like a full simulation.
Wait, can you show? Can
Yeah,
I put on
yeah.
stream? Wait, I'm gonna take it.
Wait,
off.
I will show it when it's finished with its current thing, because I'm not sure if it runs right now.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't run right now.
Okay, but show us when it's done. I wanna see like how far GPT, no GPT, I don't know if it's GPT, but how far it can go, you know, with whatever you're trying to do. Okay, but we seem to
Full
be fine.
simulation.
Still have some issues with that, but so interesting. It is there, okay, I just want to see that everything was still fine. Small free alloc. I should probably optimize this a little bit because it's kind of annoying to have small free alloc, free alloc. But the thing is I cannot know the size. So kinda need it. But okay. I will just go on with this thing then. Not really sure how we'll go about it. But we'll figure something out. Where's the damn ratio? Max set, I think that's... I don't remember what they refer to being a ratio, to be honest. We're not gonna be in that, we're not gonna be in utils. Okay, probably I have renamed it and I think it's size, which they refer to ratio that I renamed. Okay, so... Descriptor allocate growable. That's what we need to do. And that will just take in the device. And then ready pools, member function thing. Well, I guess we can put it up here. This will be our actual, like, these things. Sets pool, okay. So we'll change a few things out a little bit, apparently. We don't have an STD vector. And for that reason, I think we might need an STD array list. I tried to avoid this, but I guess now we're not gonna be avoiding it anymore. Yep, we'll do that. So, I don't know, still I don't understand ratios, but I will keep their names until I figure out what the fuck this refers to. Pool size ratio. What the fuck is that? Oh, that's this thing. We get descriptor type and then ratio. Damn. Forest fruit. what is he talking about? Forest fruit all of a sudden. You're gonna put it here?
It was funny.
No, that's super funny.
Yep, I know.
Hey Lucas, watch my stream.
Alright. Wait. Bam, bam. So this is the epic fluid simulation the AI had cooked up.
Yeah. With Vulkan, with the other things, it's much better. Wait, let's see if I like it cooked up this.
Yo.
I don't really know what this is, but
That's crazy.
wait, let's see. I said it should make it particle based. But look at this.
Yo.
Mm,
That's better than I would ever cook up. What the fuck? Nah.
Okay,
I'm gonna
what should I test next?
Wait, do you have it like done already, or can I continue doing my other thing?
No. Yeah, you can continue doing your thing, but what should I test it next?
Alright. Just tell me when you have it.
Never, ever.
Mate.
Yo.
Descriptor type. I'm just gonna call it descriptor type. I feel like this is kind of like a redundant thing that it just wants me to do, which I probably will not have once we actually when I figure out what this actually does. Kind of classic one. I follow tutorials. I'm like, I'm not gonna do it like that. I'd probably do that wrong anyways, but we're gonna do here. So fuck me. Okay, come on. So we're gonna be using that, and they're gonna be called ratios. Sure, is equal to dot empty.
Damn, he's just going after all the tokens.
Oh yeah.
Them all. Damn, you didn't do a plan mode.
Oh,
Damn, you're
right,
running
right.
it twice. He's fucking
Yeah.
running low.
Expected.
You can only run it. You can only run 5 at once, and that's including all of us.
Damn.
But I'm running it on 2 different projects.
Yeah. So if I opened it, that's 3.
drop.
Then
Alright,
Lucas
see a
opens
pig.
it, that's 4.
And then full pools.
Okay. Mm.
And then we're gonna take another one and ready pools. Fuck's sake. Blah. And then we have sets per pool. Which Cool. And this will be a U32. I'm just gonna put 0 by default. Okay, that what? Am I not allowed to do that? What the fuck? Oh, I didn't probably have the dot, yeah. Okay. Wait, what? No, that should be. I actually forgot. Const. That's what I forgot. Const struct. Wait, no. Wait. I have it here. Const. No, that should be it. What? Ah. How am I fucking this up? So this is just how we create a struct. How do I not know how to create a struct? What? We're just gonna do.
You want to with that?
No, I got this. This is. But that's what I do.
Hmm?
Isn't this how you create a struct? Am I dumb?
No, we forgot the equals
I need an equals?
before the struct keyword.
How? Okay, whatever.
How
Now
did bro
there's-
forget?
But that doesn't make sense. Why would you have to say keyword equals struct?
Well, it's because technically it's just an alias, yeah,
in
to
that
the
sense.
structure.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
No, oh yeah, because it's type defined in C.
Yeah.
So it is kind of the same logic, actually, yeah.
A bit similar, I guess.
Give multiple names to the same struct.
Oh, it's on me here?
Yep.
No way.
Oh, he's here.
Yo, what's up?
It-
You're a bit
Oh,
low.
great.
I barely hear you.
Yeah, your volume.
I'm cranking it up to the maximum.
Oh, yes,
Let's
yes.
go.
That's awesome.
Okay.
That's crazy, that's crazy.
I have many buttons on my audio interface.
I also have many buttons, but only on my keyboard.
You wanted to say somewhere else. I
I-
knew it.
I only have one button on the keyboard.
What button is that?
I have to press it. It's just one button. I have to press it multiple, like 26 times to make the alphabet.
It's binary. Morse code. Guys writing Morse code.
Well, you like to refer to it as Braille, so I don't know. Man.
Shut your ass up. You don't even know it.
You
Yes,
guys
so-
didn't. You guys didn't have the phone where you have to type multiple times the same key to get different.
I
No.
did. I actually used to have it. And Nokia.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. See, I'm old.
Yeah, I know.
I think my two first phones were those kind of phones where you had to press multiple time. I remember when I was supposed to text my mom something, and I just kept on misspelling it, and eventually she just got home, and I went to tell her that I tried for an hour to tell her something. That was when I first got the phone, bro. It was hard. Yeah.
Damn, that's tough.
Yeah, but it's okay, you know. So they renamed this thing just growable. I don't know, is this a good way to go about it? It feels a bit
What is
weird.
that?
They have like the descriptor allocator, so they have like a growable pool size for the descriptor thing. I'm a bit unsure, really, to be honest. But it feels a bit odd.
It's a pool of pools.
Yes, I think it's a bit odd. Do you also think it's a bit odd, or is this actually a way you should be?
It kind of is, but also I think that there is a certain number. Like this is for engines.
Mm.
You're not making an engine, so I think it's enough for you to have a certain number of them allocated, and
Yeah.
then you just reset them every frame, every in-flight frame. I have like an in-flight number of frames pools. What you got it? I have three pools
Yeah.
that I reset every time one in-flight frame is done. In the meantime, I prepare the other ones, and each one of them have like, I don't know, 100 whatever I need for my very simple game.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
so
I wouldn't go too generic on this one.
yeah, no. I'm just thinking because it's also. I think I got like the things that I wanted from this
Bro
tutorial,
got the
which was
Android. Yo, that's
which,
crazy.
which are the modern like dynamic rendering, the Vulkan memory allocator integrated into the Vulkan like or app. The other things are like, well, they do talk about engine architecture. Wait, what? Okay, but this is I mean, it's not too bad. Maybe. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you know for each material how many, how much time is it's gonna be used. It's not like an
Yeah.
engine. You have no idea what people are going to do with it.
Yeah, it's. Well, I was thinking like trying to make it somewhat towards an engine, but I'm not like a. In a sense that I kind of know still, like if I need something specific, I can just change it in the source code. Like it's not something that it's gonna be.
I think it's more important to have some sort of reusable buffers rather than, the descriptors. Like that's much more involving and it's more useful.
Wait, guys, be right back. I gotta
Yeah.
join the other call real quick.
Wait,
Yeah,
reusable buffer rather than descriptors. What do you mean in that sense?
Sub-allocatable buffers. Like you have only one single big buffer for staging stuff.
Yeah.
And then you just sub-allocate that buffer. You don't need a new buffer every time you need to upload a texture. You just grab a piece of that buffer, you use it, then you set it for destruction, and when the timeline comes, it will be destructed, and you can reuse it again.
Wait, so you destroy
That's
your buffers per render?
no, you don't destroy anything. You just destroy the allocation, which VMA already supports. So you have virtual allocations in VMA, and it has nothing to do with the Vulkan buffer itself. So it's a different structure that you can also implement it yourself. It's just a linked list or free free spots, you
Mhm.
can do it differently. You can have a pool allocator. You can do whatever allocator you want.
Yeah.
But the thing is that the buffer itself, it can be reused multiple times.
Okay.
I have like 100 megabytes of buffer, which is enough for what I'm doing. Also, I'm keeping track of usage with Tracy, and it gives me how much of this buffer is actually used, so I can reduce it when the game is done, pretty much. If I'm using like 2 megabytes out of 100, I can just trim it down.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the thing that I'm also, like I just said also when I started reading that section about the dynamic pools of pools, I was like unsure because it's like it felt like a little bit like I'm trying to implement something which I'm not entirely sure like what specific problem I'm gonna solve with this, because I don't have really any issues with the current setup, so to speak. And then it's just might just kind
It's just to have more. So when you reach the limit, it's just to have a bit more, so it doesn't
Yeah.
stop working.
Could
So
I ask,
that's what the purpose of it.
like for me, don't you need a? Do I remember this wrong, or don't you need a descriptor, like for each frame, or can you like?
Well, if nothing changes, you can reuse the same, but it's unlikely. So you reallocate. You reset the descriptor pool, and then you reallocate everything each frame. Yeah.
Yeah, wait, but yeah, okay, yeah, okay, wait. So I think I got it. Yes. Okay.
Wow, banger music.
Thank you. Fucking Christ. That's why we need the what was it called? Strudel.
Yeah, so we don't have to listen
Turtle
to this.
geese. No. Oh.
Wait, what?
My
Fucking hell. I
What'd
think
you say?
I think I still might go with the this thing. Sounds interesting. Also, it's a bit overkill for what I need, but it's also a little bit like maybe we'll figure out something new that I haven't thought about before. Well, in reality, I should actually just be getting the damn game. But I think this is still a
That
bit.
would be nice.
Yeah, that would be nice. And we still have a lot of other things to also tackle, but I think I will still want to try this thing out. But it sounds a little bit. Okay. It sounds a bit weird and too much, but also at the same time, it's not something too bad. So this is actually something that is valid. That's maybe my main concern, that this is actually something you could do, so to speak. Ami, I'm asking you.
nah, you're asking homie. No,
Was that a question?
Yes, like I
That
just
wasn't a question.
Okay. I was wondering if this is actually like something valid to go approach, like, or is it just like, yeah? But it's actually like something you could do if you wanted dynamic pools.
It is. It is pretty close. I mean, the only it's not that it's gonna be so much different from having a single pool anyway.
Yeah.
So the thing is that I can show you my approach.
Yes. Can I show you on stream?
Yeah, I mean it's not this is already streamed. So.
Let's stream twice now. Oh, except for mine, it's a bit
Yeah.
lower quality.
It's a double streamer.
Is it low quality?
Yeah. It's...
No, Lucas is this.
What the? What the fuck?
I can make it. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
as big as I can go. Otherwise, it becomes unreadable. So there should be. No, not this one. No. Wait. Reset. So, on the update, I do the reset of the descriptors,
Mm-hmm.
which are all the descriptors for each shader. I have these descriptors. So this is a shader. Hello, shader. My name is shader. No, this is a
Hi,
generic
Shader.
Yeah.
So let's see what can be useful. So reset descriptors. This is obvious. It just calls reset descriptor. I only used one. So if you have multiple suballocated ones, you have to do to reset all of them. But for me, I have it as a parameter. Wait, where is one shader specifically? So that should be in shaders. Let me grab, I don't know, this one. So during the creation, I set the number of sets that I want for the per frame buffers.
Mm-hmm.
The number of sets that I need for the per object, the uniform, object stuff.
Yeah.
And this goes past to the create pools. And here I decide what's the size of the pools.
Yeah.
So I have a uniform buffer for this guy and object. It might help if I keep the shader on the side. So this is the side. You have the per frame, which gonna open.
Yeah, I also have that alarm, but every time I hear it, I feel sad inside.
Yeah, because I snoozed it. I'm gonna snooze it and again. So I have 5 minutes before it starts again. So
Yeah.
this is it's only got like a projection for the per frame, per
Yeah.
object. Okay, so that's one part. Then there is the allocation, which is generic, so you can find it here. So there's the allocation of the descriptor,
Yeah.
and this is
Your
done
world
in the
stop.
world. So the world is where the update happens. So first there is the update, and the update does all that stuff. So there is a staging buffer that is allocated for the per frame buffers,
Okay.
and it copies some data in it,
Yeah.
and then it also queues for copy.
Yeah.
And then here I'm allocating a new descriptor for this object. So these are the chunks, I think. I don't know what this is. But yeah, I'm allocating a descriptor right now.
Mm.
So I get a set, and then I write the buffers for that set. And in this case, it's just updating the pointer to the frame buffer for this guy here. And it's also writing a texture, so it's not that shader. Oh no, that's the other shader, right? That's correct. So there is. Oh no, that's not the correct shader. Whatever. So it's
Yeah,
also
whatever.
updating these textures. Whatever. And this happens over and over again. So the staging buffer is suballocated, and it's also queued for deletion.
Yeah.
So because this is only lasting one frame.
Yeah.
And here there is another allocation and a write. So there is also there is always allocation followed by a write.
Yeah.
And this is, you can find it in here. So this is the allocation, which performs the allocate descriptor set. And this is the write buffer.
But
so it just emplaces it because I didn't want to.
Is this for your like chunks specifically right now, or what is this for?
This is for everything.
Okay.
It's all the shaders are pretty much the same. So the solid flat, this is for the chunks. This is the chunks shader. It's got
Yeah.
per frame, per object. And in this case, it also has a texture and the
Yeah.
sampler.
Yes.
And in the, where's the world? And that is shader opaque. So this should happen. I don't know what's going on here, but trust me, it works.
No.
Yeah, I don't remember that. Yeah, this code is a bit verbose. I need to make it a bit more structured. But oh no, this is the chunks manager. Okay.
Yeah.
So for each chunk, it's picking up if it's a transparent shader or the opaque shader
Okay. Yeah.
for water or ground.
Yeah.
And then it's allocating from each one of the shader, and then it's writing the buffer. Since the texture is only one, I'm reusing that single allocated. Oh, okay, so that's what was going on here. So this one is the texture, and that is only allocated once. So this is the frame, the per frame data, which is only allocated once because it's shared across all the draw calls. You getting that?
Wait.
So I only allocate one descriptor for that
Yeah.
because I don't need for each draw call or for each chunk. So
Yeah,
I'm
no.
only allocating that once.
Yeah.
But for each chunk, I'm allocating multiple of them. So everything is self-contained because when I initialize the shit,
Has it already been 5 minutes?
it's already been 5 minutes. Yeah.
Wait, guys, I will go sleep now.
Yeah. Good night.
Good luck with
Yeah.
the project.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have a fun
Good
time.
night.
I think I need to do a little bit more research before I actually try to take this next step, because I'm feeling like one thing I wonder specifically is just why do you do the deletion of the like per frame? Because I don't like, I must misunderstand like the idea of descriptors then.
No, so the buffers are set for deletion.
Yes.
So the buffers are only used once,
Mm.
and so
But what do you-
this is the
Mm.
this is one buffer, and then it's queued, and then it's rendered. In the meantime, I'm creating a new one. They are all from this big buffer here.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this comes from this region,
Yeah.
and then this one comes from this region.
Yes.
And then when this is set for destruction, it
Yeah.
gets destroyed. Now this is free, and probably this one is going to allocate it back from that. But not now, because it's still in use. So this is no-go. So that's why I'm doing that.
But wait, when you say
And
buffer,
I
do you
also
mean...
don't want to keep
What do you mean when you say buffer now? As you
the
said?
SSBO.
Okay.
So this is a buffer. This is okay. This is also a buffer. And so I'm not modifying the same buffer because it's still in use. So if I modify while I'm preparing this frame, it will likely be rendered with garbage data.
Okay.
So that's why I'm leaving it in there and then deleting it now. And in the meantime, I created a new one.
Yeah.
And keep going. This is probably just growing back and forth in this region.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it for the descriptors.
Yeah.
Once they are used, and once the drawing is complete, the render is complete. There is a reset. I don't remember what is it. Oh yeah, there is a reset at the beginning.
Okay. Okay. So that's where you reset. Okay.
The current slot.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is where the update happens. And the updates are just all the rights that I accumulated here. I just do them once.
Okay.
So I just call this once. All the rights are placed in this vector.
Okay.
You could do the rights one each, but this is a bit more optimized.
Yeah, definitely.
Maybe.
No,
Or maybe
I
not.
think. Is this Omi stream now? Yeah, this is Omi stream now. He's taking over. Okay.
This is Amazon.
Yeah. I think I'm generally just need to do a little bit
So, yeah,
more
I mean,
planning. Did not do much this stream actually. I don't think. I don't think that's the issue. But I think I'm gonna actually go sleep.
you
I don't know, bro. Like I've
yeah,
felt
that's a good
tired.
idea.
Okay. But yeah, all right. That we'll figure these things out. I will figure these things out by tomorrow, so we will actually have something done by tomorrow. That will be it, everybody. Thank you for watching. I know it wasn't much, but it was
no problem.
It was something. Bye bye.